First, what to wear. So many people start out thinking that protective clothing is only there to keep their own clothes clean. Not so. Your own clothes may carry dust, dirt, pet hairs, fibres and bacteria, which could end up in the food.
Protective clothing is worn to prevent the contamination of food. So how you look after it, how you put it on, and where you wear it are all very important.
For instance, you should never travel to work in your protective clothing.
And no matter what your football fantasy, it's not a strip either.
Protective clothing should only be worn in food rooms and changing areas. And if practical, you should remove it when you're going to the loo or taking a break. For putting it on, there's the top-to-toe rule.
Always start with your headgear. If you put on head covering after overalls, a stray hair or two can easily fall onto your shoulder. Before long, the hair can end up in the food, and for the same reason, you shouldn't remove your head covering when you take a break. When you remove protective clothing, your hat should always be last. Make sure your ordinary clothing is completely covered, no jumpers or cardigans sticking out, and that's especially important with short-sleeved overalls. Finally, the shoes you wear should be slip-resistant and give your feet adequate protection for the work you do. And that's it, top to toe. And one last word on protective clothing. While you're working and your hands need cleaning, always remember, it's wash, not wipe.